Let me introduce ASUS, a leading name in global technology. Founded in 1989 in Taiwan, ASUS quickly became known for its laptops, motherboards, and ROG gaming hardware. It now operates in over 50 countries, highlighting its global footprint. ASUS' vision is to become a global leader in the digital economy, showing its commitment to shaping the future of tech. Its mission is to provide innovative and high-quality products to enhance the digital lifestyle, focusing on user experience and technological advancement.
Next is about introduction to ASUS Record Management System. ASUS Record Management System or ARMS combines record tracking and publishing function with advanced management functionality, providing an inbound email repository for record management purpose. Designed by industry leader in this field of expertise, which is Aztec, this full-featured hardware environment engine is aimed at user on any level and offer top quality service for the most used office application type, which is form, text, document, and spreadsheet. ARMS has a complete set of functions from document storage tracking to retrieval and then archiving. It can help an organization to streamline its workflow, lower manual input error, and stay compliant. As the ASUS Record Management System is easy and highly secure to use via web interface, it is perfect for companies which needs a reliable and scalable way to store, retrieve, cross-reference, and protect their business records being created at every stage of their life. Next is method in organizing. The first one is numerical organization. ASUS use numeric structuring with ID tagging to ensure across-the-board integration and overlooking tracking. The first one is purchase orders. Each time you order, you are assigned a purchase order numbers used for tracking your past orders. The second one is bid numbers. Unique numbers are assigned to invoicing. The third one is service ticket number. Ticket assigned by our customer service, received by our system. The third one is the fourth one is employee's ID. HR documentation by employee ID for quick lookup and HRIS feed. This method ensures compatibility with systems like SAP, Oracle, or equivalent. Next is subject-based organization. Whether it's according to financial report or product lines, ASUS is full of ambition and eager to take the industry lead in each category. The first one is financial record, which is budget, expenses report, and audit report. The second one is human resource record, which is employee recruitment, folders, personal files, and employee who do not pass probationary period. The third one is product record, which is R&D information and product parameters and test result. The last one is personal legal document like lease, IP documents, and regulatory filing. Each file will also have tag which serve to assign metadata its general subject matter, and it will have a system retrieving selected record matching particular query terms within addition to subject filtering. The next one is chronological organization. Records are arranged based on timelines to support tracking and compliance, like monthly financial report. It's grouped under folder by month and year. The second one is quarterly performance review, stored based on quarterly time frames. And the last one is system log, automatically sort by date for audit and security purpose. This method is crucial for managing retention periods and document lifecycle stage. The last one is functional organization. ASUS organize record based on sequence of business operation, storing each document according to its stage in a specific workflow. For the example of application is product lifecycle, which is design to testing to approval to launch. The second one is HR process, which is application, interview, onboarding, and registration. The third one is procurement process, which is request, quotation, approval, purchase, and delivery. It is to ensure documents are filled systematically based on their process stage for consistency and easy tracking. Next is internal and external audit. For internal audit, it is performed periodically by the Access Information Security and Corporate Governance Department. Internal audit focus on verifying, first, safety and correct stockpiling of soft copy of document. Second is compliance with internal policy and retention schedule. Third is accurate user right and permission. The fourth one is determine deficiency and make a recommendation for improvement and digital record management. The next one is external audit. It is performed annually by third-party IT compliance and audit professional. It is to ensure adherence to international standard, which is ISO 27001, which is Information Security Management, and ISO 9001, which is Quality Management System. It's cover access areas such as first, document security and data protection procedure. Second, adherence to GDPR, cybersecurity, compliance and industry standard. And the last one is security measures and emergency preparedness. Results from this audit are recommended to improve access EDMS policies and procedure. Next is risk management. Access acknowledge that operating digital achieve at a global level carries an enormous burden of potential risks such as first, data leaks, cybersecurity and threats, in a particular on R&D and customer data. The second is document duplication and version across teams. The third one is violation of international law and retention policies. Existing risk management measure. The first one is user access via encryption firewall, including difference level and identity management mechanism. The second is normal backup procedure and disaster intervention. The third is automatic versioning and logs in the EDMS. And the last one is document classification, retention and detention policies. So the solution is, the first one is use of AI-based metadata tagging and auto classification tools to improve on file categorization for better accuracy and consistency. Second is with the help of blockchain-based ledgers on digital system, we could also have secure and transparent audit trails within legal and procurement records. The third one is develop employee training on global compliance and secure document handling policies. And the last one is leverage predictive analytics to proactively spot potential risks or issues with document workflow.
Let's talk about the creation phase in Access document management process. Access follows a structured naming convention in its electronic document management system or EDMS to ensure consistency and traceability. There are a few key practices here. First, project-based naming. File are labeled using a code project, a short description and a date. For example, ROG_LI_design_2024 0515 will be a file related to gaming handheld prototype. Second, department-specific prefix are used. Firstly, finance document use FIN, and the second, legal documents use LEG, and RID document use RD, based on international standard like ISO 154891. Finally, version control is maintained by updating file name with tag like _v2 or _v3 to track revisions. This structured approach helps Access maintain organized and easily traceable documents across departments. Moving on to the storage aspect of Access document management system. ASUS use a multi-layered storage system to ensure data safety. On-premises servers are used for highly sensitive data like patent filings and employee records. For collaborative project and global team access, ASUS utilize cloud storage from Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. And a hybrid backup strategy is also in place, storing critical record both in the cloud and on physical servers to prevent data loss. To secure this stored information, ASUS applies strong security measures. For the first one is encryption. All files are encrypted using AES 256 during both storage and transfers. And the next one is access control. File access is restricted based on rules. For example, only HR can view employee contract. These steps ensure that important information is always protected and only accessible to the right people.
Okay, now we are going to talk about maintenance. Access Electronic Document Management System (EDMS) is designed to protect important documents by performing automated backup every 24 hours. What this means, every day the system creates a full copy of all files and stores it securely. If documents are accidentally deleted, lost or corrupted, they can be recovered from the latest backup. This protects against data loss due to system failure, cyber attacks or human error. What it matters, ensures business continuity. Important operations can continue even after unexpected problem. It also provides peace of mind to employees and stakeholders that the data is safe. Helps IT teams reduce manual backup tasks and focus on more critical work. Okay, next we are going to talk about retention and disposition. Access follow a strict policy when it comes to how long documents are kept in the system. According to legal and regulatory standards, records are stored for a period of 7 years. After 7 years, records that are no longer useful are either archived, secured long-term, or disposed of securely. Benefits of this approach reduces digital clutter by removing outdated files, improves system performance by keeping only current relevant data, ensures legal compliance, helping access avoid fines or legal issues related to data storage.
So we move on to the advantages. So first is eco-friendly and sustainable. The decreased use of paper documents makes the environment sustainable. Companies that deploy EDMS reduce their wastage on paper, energy wasted in printing, and oil fire thus favoring of green business. Next is increased productivity and automation. Workflow automation components of EDMS commonly have features like workflow auto-routing, workflow approval hierarchy, notification engines. All these features can be used to make the human-centric process more efficient and allow employees to concentrate on a value-added processes. Last, for the advantages is disaster recovery and backup. Most of the ADMS solutions provide automated backup and disaster recovery. Whenever documents may get deleted accidentally, or there is a hardware failure, or even natural disaster, the backup can be restored faster, thus reducing the downtime and loss. So now we are talking about its advantages. So first is integration challenge with legacy system. Compatibility is also possible, in particular when involved in integrating EDMS with other existing system or older software. To facilitate the flow, organizations may require replacing the aging infrastructure or purchase middleware solutions. Second is legal and compliance risk if mismanaged. Failure to configure document access, storage and deletion rules to the required standards means that the organization might end up floating both legal and regulatory requirements unconsciously. Failure to be compliant may lead to fines or audit or a lawsuit. Last, for the disadvantages is over-reliance on digital system. Organizations which wholly depend on EDMS may have a problem in case system breaks down. It is necessary to have an equal approach to documentation through backups, redundancies, and offline capabilities to avoid such damage. Now, at the end of the slide, I'm going to talk about conclusion and recommendation. So, for a conclusion, by ASUS in 2023, ASUS demonstrates a robust electronic documents management system, also known as EDMS, that integrates cloud storage, structured file, organization, and strict compliance audits. And other than that, it is efficient workflow, for example like version control or metadata tagging. Then, it's a strong security measures, for example AES 256 encryption or role-based access. However, from Deloitte 2022, risks like the data breaches and legacy system dependency persist. Now it's time for recommendations. To enhance ASUS record management, first, we need to adopt blockchain for audit trails. By implementing immutable ledgers for critical R&D documents to prevent tampering by Nakamoto 2008. Next is AI-driven automation. Use machine learning to classify files and detect anomalies from Microsoft Azure 2023. And last for the recommendation is employee training. Regular workshops on phishing prevention and GDPR compliance by GDPR 2018. Now, that's the end of our presentation. It's all. Thanks and thank you so much for watching our presentation.